In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can try to adjust your screen brightness on Windows 11. So first, what you need to do is go to the Start menu and then click on the Settings icon, or just go ahead and search for it, but head into your computer settings. Now from here, go to System and then go to Display. And here's the thing, if you're using an external monitor, so this one that you're watching on is an external monitor, there isn't going to be any brightness slider. But if I click on my laptop monitor, there will be a brightness slider which I can increase and decrease, and that's going to increase and decrease the brightness. So that is one way. Now the other way, if I'm on my laptop, is to click on the brightness keys. So on my laptop, F6 and F7 increases and decreases the brightness. You're going to have that on your laptop. Just look at the top row, the top line of keys, and you should find it. And you can see when I click on it, it actually increases and decreases the brightness, but you won't be able to see that on video. So those are the two ways. You can't do it on a monitor. You're going to have to go into your monitor settings to do that, but on laptop, it is very easy.